Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have an Hermes unboxing, and it's actually something that my husband ordered online, so I'm so excited. I didn't even know you can order anything Hermes online except for the beauty products, but this is actually my Mother's Day gift that I have not opened yet because he already told me what it was. I kind of told him what I wanted, but I didn't know that he was going to buy it. So I haven't even opened it yet. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, and I can show you how they mail their items. So this is the item right here. It kind of comes in a brown paper box, but I took it off because it had my address on it. And this is it right here. Let's see, open it. And there's two other items in here that he ordered for me. But here you go. You can see those two other items on the side. Let me set this down. Funny true story is that he had them put a card in it so he can put something, write something in it, and he forgot to write something. That's okay, we forgive him because it's Hermes. I'll show you the two smaller items first, and it's this right here. It's the Rose Hermes blush brush. So it comes in a standard box, orange on the inside, and it's a beautiful angled blush brush. Feels soft, has a nice little shield on it. I love the color, the pink and white. It says Hermes and made in France. So that's beautiful. To add to my blush brush collection. And the other thing is a brush. The other thing is a blush in what color is this? 61 Rose Fuel, and it comes in the standard box, but then it also comes in the Hermes box. And these, in one of my other videos, I showed that they just slide out. Right there, Rose Fuel. And the white and gold packaging, it is lacquer, and this is one of the darker ones of the Hermes blushes, and has the perfume smell. Fragrance, not too bad. There you go. Definitely good for my skin tone. This is a matte finish, it looks like. Not really too shiny. Doesn't smell like anything once you put it on the skin, but of course it is a beautiful color. Looks like it got a little dirty in transport, or a little messy in transport, but as you know, you can pop the pin out, and I've tried this. You can, with one of my other ones, you could put a pin in there and pop it up, and they sell the refills for cheaper price. Here you go. And now let's get into my Hermes. I'm so excited for this item. This is something I never thought that I would get. I love my husband so much. He's the sweetest. He contacted them on his own and purchased it on his own. And here it goes in its beautiful packaging. There it goes. I have not opened it as of yet. I don't know if you can tell what this is. When I first got this, I was like, oh, it's so random of a box that I thought it was like a wallet or something until he told me. And then we'll just slide the ribbon off, and of course I am keeping this packaging, ribbon and all. Oh, let me show you the inside of the box it came in. It says Bienvenue, Chez Hermes. So beautiful. Oh, and it's in the bottom. It has the receipts. Oh yeah, the receipt is in the bottom of the box. Awesome. So we're gonna open it. Of course, it's a shoe of sorts, and it is nice and packaged in there. They come in 2 separate dust bags, and let me just make sure my hands are clean. The dust bag is not a canvas, but like a woolish bag, maybe. Not sure. But here we go. What did I get? What did I get? Can you guess what I got? I got the Aran gold sandal. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh. And I got it in the 35.5. And I will insert some clips of me wearing it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, but I know this sounds crazy, but I hate when they put leather in the bottom because I'm almost afraid to wear it. I know I'll get over it, but it almost scares me to wear it because of that. Very nicely handcrafted, and it's the Aran in gold with the white stitching. And let me show you the other one and the other dust bag. Again, same thing, 35.5. I cannot wait to wear these outside. It's been raining here, so I didn't even want to try. I hope I don't have no problems with these, as some people have had, because their feet are so narrow. But I did order true to size. They didn't have in our local store. Oh, so they didn't have it in our local store. So when my husband called the 800 number for customer service, they said that they would go ahead and ship them to my house. So the shipping took about, I think, 2 days. And it came, I believe, FedEx. And of course we had to sign for the package. But here it is, the beautiful Hermes Aran sandals in the gold color with the white stitching, and I am so excited to wear them. You guys, let me know if you have them, if you love them. Are they hard to maintain? Are they long lasting? And that's it for this video. You guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I will definitely include photos of me using these, and until next time, as always, you guys, stay safe and be careful out there. Bye.